I don't even know if this is gonna stay here. Alright. Well, I'm just gonna start. Fuck. And it instantly flies away. Alright, guys. Well, we are back in the E46. The broken E46. Uh-oh. That guy's going fast. Oh, La Miata. Really nice. But yeah, this car's broken right now. But yeah, like I was saying, car's broken right now, so I mean, it still sounds good, kinda. Drives good, kinda. But today, probably I'm just gonna be messing around and just cleaning up the tune. Like, I haven't ever spent like a full, like, couple of hours just fixing up the tune. So I'm probably just gonna do that today, and then maybe that somehow just fixes the car. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing like just some test pulls around here. Holy shit, what the fuck? Why did it just eat right there? Wait, why did it just fucking absolutely eat right there? Jesus. Wait, we gotta do another pull. Wait, I said this car was broken. I didn't leak anything, right? Okay, let's go again. See, that's what I'm talking about. That right there is what I'm talking about. Man. Yo, this car. So yeah, like as you guys just saw, or are seeing right now, the motherfucker is misfiring. But right then, I just did a second gear pull and it just pulled fine. So I really don't understand this car. I'm just gonna turn her off, turn it right back on. Yeah. So what I'm gonna check, I think I'm just gonna check if any couplers popped off. Maybe on that first pull a coupler popped off. The turbo is smoking. Doesn't look like any couplers popped off though. Why is the turbo smoking? Oh no. I don't know. Let's go again. This time I'm gonna log. Oh God. Okay, let's turn the AC off on this bitch. But damn, this shit idles clean. Look at that, 14.4. With AC on, it'll be like a 15.1. Okay. Whoa. That is not good when it misfires like that. Okay. Well, after I turn it off and turn it back on, it comes back. But let's stop logging. So I'm gonna let the car cool down for a bit, and then I'll turn off the car and then look at the logs. All right, so this is the log I just took. The third graph, this yellow line right here, this is the TPS. So you can see where I started the pull right here, all the way right here. On the second graph, this green line here is the the green line here is engine load. The yellow line is mass airflow reading. So that's in kilogram per hour, and load is in milligrams per stroke. And then we have the red line, which is our map, calculated map. This is where I'm getting the idea that we have like a problem with the vacuum leak, because you can see the map doesn't even change the entire time. And I'm pulling all the way up to 6,000 RPM, and the map stays at about 7 PSI the entire time. So something's wrong. So the engine's not building boost, because before when I had this set up, just wastegate only, it was already hitting 12 PSI. So the thing is that makes this even more annoying is that I've been doing boost tests the last like 2 weeks. Every day I've been doing boost tests. So like just today I was able to like find no leaks, even though I had it pressured all the way up to like 15 to 20 PSI. But I don't know, it's still misfiring. But the thing is that's weird is that first pull didn't misfire, so I don't know what's going on. But even our AFR looks clean. Like it's in voltage right now, so probably what I'll do is just put an overlay on the screen of what that actually is. And yeah, but this is fine. This is like, I'm pretty sure this is like 11s. Like here it's going all the way into 10s maybe. That's all the way until I let off. So we know the fueling is good. Fuel pressure is good because I have a fuel pressure regulator on there. I already checked it. It's hooked up straight on to the fucking manifold. So I don't know what's wrong with this car. Now that I've let it cool down a little bit, I might just go check and see if I can find anything that's messed up. I don't know, dude. Honestly, it's actually just so bizarre. So I'm thinking maybe the wastegate isn't opening like all the way. But then that wouldn't even make sense though. If the wastegate isn't opening all the way, that means it's gonna make more boost, not less boost. Like, I don't know. All right. So after looking through the logs and doing some more thinking, I'm gonna try and do a third gear pull now. So normally when I do a third gear pull, the car kind of like builds more boost. So I don't know why. I'm just gonna probably just do a third gear pull and just log. Actually, you know what? While I wait, let me just throw this on the computer right now. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, I just went outside and I just checked the engine bay again, check if anything was loose. Nothing was loose, bro. So it's just, shit is literally so annoying. Alright, let's turn this car on. All the sensors should show up. Boom. So it actually has some codes, but you can clear the codes from here, which is pretty cool. Reading data. Already idling better. Oh, car's rolling backwards. Okay, come on. Let's fucking go. Please. Okay, I'm gonna do a third gear pull here. If we're doing a third gear pull, we gotta literally start all the way at the beginning of the road because fuck, we don't have space for that. How many times are you gonna make this U-turn? All right. I gotta be going faster, quicker. Holy shit. Holy shit, still misfired. Damn, it sounds crazy. Oh shit, it died this time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we might have blown something. Oh, fuck. I think all that fucking smoke was from the turbo, dude. I think this turbo's just done. How though? How is it already done? Look how much smoke just came from the car. I thought we blew the fucking engine. What is this all from? What is all this from? What is all this water? Bro, what the fuck? I thought we blew the engine. Did oil just spray everywhere? I think oil just sprayed everywhere. Oh my god, there's so much smoke. Is there smoke? Is there oil on the ground? Oh, there is, yo. There's a fuck ton of oil on the ground. Dude, what the hell? Dude, I don't even fucking know. But look, watch the car just run fine right now. I don't know what is wrong with this vehicle. What's wrong with my engine? What's wrong with my turbo? Well, I think she's gone. Either the turbo's gone. Well, I'm gonna drive home. Hopefully I can get home because I can't even keep the car on. But fuck. Guys, she is fucked. I'm pretty sure this bitch is knocking right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's done, bro. Fuck. New engine time, bro.